So today I'm going to be showing you how to either approve or reject your products from your Omi space. So to do that, you're going to go to product section in the left-hand menu, and I'm going to click on orders. So here we can see all current orders. There are several categories: pending approval, needs changes, in progress, not started. Not started refers to orders we've received but haven't started working on yet. So this might be because we haven't received the product yet, or because we're still waiting for the master product to be approved, just as an example. So in progress includes the products that we're all currently working on. Fix needed refers to orders where something might be missing. This could be that the label or the physical product has an error. In case if an order appears in this category, we can click on it and it'll give us some more information. And needs review refers to products for which we've submitted a version and now need either to be approved or rejected. Next, I click on the product and access this page. So this page here is where I can view different images of the product with different lighting setups, different angles, such as front, back, side, top view, and more. It's always the same product. The only thing that changes is the lighting and the environment. There is one more important point to keep in mind. So once you're inside the studio, you'll be able to adjust the product light however you'd like. So when approving a product, there's no need to take the lighting or the reflection into account. You can also download all renders here if needed. So on the right-hand side, we have the brief section. This includes the details of the orders we submitted, such as the product name, the description, the product labels you sent us. Below that, we have a timeline. So in this section, you can review every stage the product has gone through, such as when the order was placed, when the first version was created, and so on. And here we have the issues category. If there have been any issues with an order, the details of each one will appear here. Then in the top right of the screen, if the product looks correct, we can approve it directly and it will be available on Omi within minutes. If on the other hand, something is not correct, we can reject it by clicking the reject button. At that point, we can add comments explaining what needs to be changed. For example, the shape, the product color, the textures. As mentioned earlier, anything related to lighting or reflection shouldn't be taken into account for feedback. So here, for example, I can give details about the shape. Then I can add some comments about the color. I can type directly here. I can also attach files. I can click directly on the model to point out specific parts of the product. So this means you can combine general product comments with comments directly added into these sections. Once all comments have been added, I simply need to either reject the version and our teams will work on it and take all of your feedback into account. It's important to keep in mind that Omi includes 3 free versions and the 4th version will be paid. So if needed, you can find all versions right here. And if you want to compare different comments and the different versions that have been created, you can do that here as well.